class were all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade, and we're finally known. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. And we're feeling rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. Epic feeling rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home. With that passion ignited like a firestone. In this world of trade, and we're finally known. Magnus' bestest crew, they got the knack. Trading paper, chasing, never looking back. Strategy so tight like the beat in our track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sweet like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name. Magnus teaching, gotta give him fame. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. Epic feeling rhythm and blues. In his class we're all the news. Magnus' bestest strategy is the key to the freedom. His students prove it every day, like the master who leads them. Magnus brought the light, the vibe. Surfing market waves, what a ride. Grit and hustle, earning our stripes. Epic feeling, life takes flight.
Magnus bestest here, let's go. We are ready for the open. So today I'd like to try a one trade on open, typical like a Mamba style. I'm still trying which strategy is gonna be the best for futures. I want it to be, because they have also a lot of rules, and I want it to be completely different, like very non-stressful and very quick and easy, like a monkey style. So basically today I will do it on 5 minutes, some break, some significant structure breakout, and the confirmation will be basically when I see really the price just continuing the move. That would be ideally. So let's see how it's gonna be. Let me mark some levels. I came a little bit late today, so, and I also don't have a lot of time. So basically I just want to make it quick. So that's why I want to do a strategy. I want to come up with a strategy that's gonna be very time efficient and non-stressful, without stress. So what do we have here? Here we have some zone, so it can actually recharge over here and continue up. And let's mark a breakout zone over here. So it's probably gonna go, it can ignore this zone, so that will be the breakout, and then trade of this liquidity. So that would be nice if we go like straight down, or we can go just up. We will see. We have 4 minutes left. Let's go. I'm checking now the trading view. I don't know if it's gonna be visible as a black screen on the live. I need to check it later. because it's not in my Streamlabs. It's just for myself. So basically, you should be seeing the Trade of 8 platform, and I am looking at my trading view because I have there some setups by different charts I like to check. Okay. So we have 2 minutes basically. So let's see, are we going to break with power and then just this is all new all-time highs? This is crazy. This is crazy. Stocks are just crazy. Going up and up and up. And we have a nice liquidity or block over here. It can be ignored completely or recharge and go up. We will see. And if we break here, I need to really see repeated breakout so that we know it's not a fake out. This is gonna be a very easily a fake out. Every breakout trader is waiting for this. Let's see. So again, this is a test. I wanna just come up with a strategy. I'm trying to find out if the 5 minute is better because we have a lot of noise on the 1 minute. And it can get confusing.
Magnus, market's gonna open in 1 minute. I wish you a nice quick profit.
Okay, thanks. So basically we need to be focusing on the main levels. That's the key. So that's why I switched to 5 minute. And then I will be observing the little details on the 5 minute. It's better. I think we'll see that it's just still an experiment basically. So let's go. Let's see. We have 30 seconds. So what it's gonna be? What is it gonna be?
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open.
Okay. Market is open. Not moving much. Basically this level, I'll try one. Okay. So it's breaking. Charge on this order block, so that's the question is, does it want to go continue up or what?
We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home with that passion ignited like a firestone in this world of trade, and we're finally known.
Go like this.
We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. And there's feelings, rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to
So it's just a waiting game.
rhythm and blues. In his class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus' bestest class, we found our home with that passion.
And very well just a little bit maybe lower to the middle and then up.
Magnus bestest, chasing dreams so high
Or
with
it's
every
all
move.
maybe
He
already
reaches for the sky,
ready to
but
go
in
up,
his
we don't
heart
know.
he knows the score. It's not just skill, it's something more. He stays humble, gives the glory to the one above. Every win, every game is guided by his love. Magnus knows it's not by chance, it's by God's grace he's led his dance.
it's not ideal. We would like to see some nice breakout right at the beginning, so this is just, you know,
knowing God's hand is always there. With every trade,
we will see what it wants to do.
God's love is true and
These are the levels I'm waiting for. It can get choppy, consolidation, it can be anything over here. Some fake outs here. But mostly if it breaks this one, I think it should go for this liquidity.
He's led this dance.
Under the moonlight, we sway and croon, whispering secrets, a tender tune. Gently we twirl in this sweet embrace, lost in the magic of this timeless place. Stars wink above us in a velvet sky, eyes full of wonder, hearts flying high. Softly we dance with a rhythm so true, wrapped in the warmth of a
Boring, waiting game.
Oh, under the moonlight, our love's a song, a melody cherished where we belong. Each note a promise.
So I want to come up with a strategy for futures within all those rules that I need to, you know, take profits, needs to be quick, blah blah. Trading drawdown. So basically, I need to really just find the best strategy that would be quick, non-stressful, easy, monkey style. So ideally within a few minutes, but now it's already, you know, 4 minutes. Still nothing. It can happen, but opens mostly have energy, you know. So that's what I'm looking for. Certainly, just the first half hour after the open, that should be the window maximum for the trades, ideally.
Together we'll stay under the moonlight. Oh, under the moonlight, our love's a song.
This is ugly. We have doji in the middle of the consolidation. So okay, so that doesn't look like quick.
Dancing together on a golden shore. Under the moonlight, our love's a song, a melody cherished where we belong. Each note a promise forever and more. Dancing together on a golden shore.
So now we have some move, but it can be anything: double top, triple top, fake out. It can be anything. It can go for the middle of this week to get the liquidity, to come for this liquidity again. And now we are forming another week. 10 seconds left. Okay. Oh no, this is 5-minute candle, so we still have some minutes, but 3 minutes. Wow. So this is exactly what I don't want for my future strategy. no trade within already 7 minutes. Oh, that is really boring. Okay. We had some very nice trades before the open, so probably I will even trade, maybe just wait for some energy, and then it doesn't matter if it's open or what, because you can see we have open and no energy anyway, and just sometimes just fake out. So basically maybe it will be even better to trade different times. This is still something I'm trying to test, and then when I come up with the best strategy for futures, I will let you know, like everybody will know. So basically still this looks slow. We are focusing only on the main levels now. That's what I'm testing. Open can be very tricky, very fake outy, choppy, so that's why we need to be on the 5 minute. That's what I'm testing, and ignore the noise, and we will control details by looking carefully on the candle, how it moves. It goes up, a little bit down, up, but when you see like it goes like it really wants to go up, then we can enter the trade, and stop loss will be in the middle of the range of the, basically it's like an order block, so basically up down, this is the breakout, so basically the middle would be the stop loss level ideally, but only if we get a breakout confidently. And that's basically, let me even mark it. Do we have a Fibonacci here? Yes, we do. So we would be like this. The middle would be the stop loss. So as you can see, it's around 25 points. No, that was, yeah, okay. It will be like this. The breakout will be here, so 85 less 85, and this would be like, let's say 50. That's a big stop loss, so we need to also adjust the contract. 35 is too much for 10 points. Yeah, we now have $100, so probably doesn't matter. It's still just very small position. If it's just one trade per day, around here. So basically, if it breaks out over here with confidence, no fake out, just up and down, and we really see that it wants to go up, then we know it has no business in doing below the 50% level of this move, this range move, this expansion. So let's see, what does it want to do? still tricking people left and right, up and down.
Silver dreams dancing on like a flight with fire rings. I feel so right. Fire rings, so they make me feel.
Now it took stop losses of people that like to trade candle changes. But the problem was there was liquidity grab somehow a little bit, but the move was weak. So it was not valid to trade, even though we are bullish, blah blah. We are still also within a range. We didn't break anything, so the energy is not there. Hopefully I'm not too far from the microphone, I'm just lazy to put it closer. I hope I will need to check it if I don't have some robotic voice. I increased the gain in the settings of Streamlabs, but that created, so I had to lower it because that was creating a robotic voice. So basically now still consolidating, still wow, this is boring. Okay, I don't know, maybe there will be no trade today. I don't want to be spending too much time over here waiting for something. No trade. Patience. That's actually just a trading of patience. Yeah, there would have been a nice trade. One trade here because we have energy. Then here but it was before open, so yeah. Now we are focusing on maintaining our rules. Testing now strategy. One trade on 5 minutes on the open, so we don't trade anything else, even though it looks great like yesterday. That was a great move also at the end of the session, but I just didn't trade it because that would spoil my statistics for this trading strategy. One trade on 5 minutes, or the one breakout trade. I did more trades, but basically yesterday, but I can have 2 trades max. Generally, this is what I want to make it for this strategy. 1 and maximally 2, if it makes sense. Wow, this is actually, it's been a long time since it's been so boring at the open. Is it really? Now it looks like it's not even really the New York Stock Exchange open time, or what is it? Even working day? Yeah, we have Tuesday. So what's happening? What is happening here? Now I'm at Highbrow. We have somebody actually watching. Basically, this is just for my trading journaling. The strategy that I'm trying to come up with, so that's why also I don't tell anybody about these streams now to watch. I will tell you when to watch, when it's important, once I know which strategy to give you guys. Let's go. Boring price action. We want to see a breakout. It's already 46, and we still don't have any direction. It's like the market is afraid to do a new high after the open. Like they are scared now, like everybody is trading. People come, or banks, computers come to their platforms and trade. So it's like, okay, we need to be careful before we make a new all-time high. And again, doji is not okay, really. We'll wait till the whole hour, till 16, and then probably if there is nothing interesting, I'll just stop the stream, because I want, as I said, I want to have a quick strategy within half an hour, like maximum, ideally just 5 minutes, you know. First one trade. Let's go. Wow, this is for it. Choppy, the boom, 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 nothing. Actually, of course, I checked the news, no news. Let me screen share the. So let's try this. So I have it on Brave, and if I but why is it not showing up? Still need to test these things. So now it should be. Why is the sharing not showing up? Now you should see my Brave browser. It shows black screen. What? This is crazy. At least that's what. Why is it showing black screen? So now I turn it off. Now we have trade await. Okay, but it was working when I was testing. So let me let's do one more thing. This is working, so, but trading view was not showing up. So the news and so the news forex factory calendar showing up. And why is it refreshing so long? Okay. Wow. Okay, thanks. So you see the news, but why my trading view was there now? There should be trading view. Okay, I know. Well, thank you. So trading view, this is what I look at. I'm trading with 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes chart, just to get a bigger picture. I don't know. Okay, so let me switch back to the trade weight. Okay, trade is 1 minute. Let's go to 5 minutes. Still extremely choppy, nothing to trade here, just to get money lost. This is a situation, this is an opportunity, a great opportunity to lose some money. So people who don't have patience will be like trying to see some patterns over here, like, oh, maybe, oh, this looks like we are going to break a trend line over here, so let's try this, and boom, and another consolidation. This is not tradable, risky statistically, just not a good idea, even if it works out one time. You know, statistically, if it's not tradable, like a good idea statistically, that means it's wrong. It can like work 30% of time, but 70% no. So why would you? You need to always put all your statistical advantages, all your edges to your advantage. So this is all. it's been a very long time, as I mentioned, that we've seen such a boring price action at the open. Okay, so we still have almost 8 minutes, 7 minutes till we probably will just finish at the round hours. And this is a secret, actually, guys, listen to me. At the round hours and 30, so basically at 16:00 it's gonna be a round hour, or if it was like 5:00 or even 5:30 or 6:00 or 6:30, those are nice areas where if you observe the 5-minute candle, it can actually reverse. Statistically, actually, it really reverses more or less at these time points. So if we so it's basically, if it goes one direction, the half an hour, and then let's say if this one was the 16:00, then, and this is 5-minute chart, then it's probable that it can reverse like this. Let's see if we can. This is a nice example. You see, this is 10:30, and what did it do? It reversed. You see, it went, and here it was also 10, and what did it do? It reversed, and 10:30 reversed. Here, when you see no reversal, like 11, nothing really. Also, if you see the energy, of course, you cannot expect it to reverse. So basically, there's the consolidations, of course, but then you need to observe those. So basically, here we will, on the 5-minute, we were going down. This is just going down. And what are we doing here at 1 hour, 1 p.m.? We are reversing. Here also, this is 2 p.m. reversed a little bit, but it reversed. And actually, even down here, it was going down, and at the open, it reversed. So you can actually even trade this. This can be your strategy. You can just decide to reverse. This is a nice secret, guys, right? Tell me something in the comments, guys, or in the chat. Do you understand? This is something I've come up with right at the beginning, basically, when I started to trade. It was many years ago, and this is one of the first things I noticed. Like, just looking at the charts, I didn't know anything about the charts, and I just was like, okay, how are we going to do this trading thing? And I noticed, like, yeah, statistically, it really reverses on 00 or 30-minute. So again, this is 30-minute and reversed, and you need to observe it on 5 minutes. That's the best time. And here, what do we have? A reverse at 1 a.m. This is like a magic. Okay, let's just focus on our trading over here. So are we going to break it? We have 4 minutes till the hour, and we can basically. So now let's just it's basically going like up, and we can reverse, but of course it can be a strong breakout, so you cannot really. It's like like those divergences, RSI divergences, volume divergences. Like most of the time, if it's a break, it actually ignores the divergences. So that's also a little secret. If you are a breakout trader, you should ignore the divergences, because many times it just likes to ignore them, like boom, and there you go. How does it look on 1 minute? Yeah, but this is a still small move, weak move. It looks like it broke structure, and we need something of more confidence. My mouse is tripping over here. because I don't know why it's disconnecting. Connecting and another wiki choppy price action. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is exactly what we don't like. So currently we have 0 concurrent viewers. So I'm basically talking to myself like an autistic person. But of course, yeah, I guess there can be people watching it later. But yeah, this is, as I mentioned, this is a trading journal, more or less. Okay, we have 2 minutes. Is it gonna? I think actually it can break, like fake out and then just reverse and even ignore this order block and just drop, and all those breakout traders and all those, you know, bullish people will just get liquidated till all of these structures are pretty okay, but we have some close double bottom here. Those levels are similar. This one is close too, so it can sweep. Many people can have stop losses here. They can be like, okay, we are going to the moon. This is finally the time we can just set and forget, and boom, and it will just take their stop losses and then go up. Some gap, small gap here, but you know, it doesn't need to really feel it now, although it's been some time already. 3rd of October. Yeah, actually it can go down. We have 30 seconds till 4:16:00. But the level that should be traded as a breakout should be this on forward.
Magnus, market's gonna open in 1 minute.
Yeah, I said,
I wish you a nice quick profit.
I said it. So basically, I said this assistant to also say something about it. It was a test, so also at 4 o'clock, when I was testing the script. So basically, this is the breakout level I would like to enter, possibly after a real breakout. But of course, if it ignores strongly this order block, it can be already just go anyway down. So this is okay. As I mentioned, I want to trade just the first half an hour, so nothing happens. Probably we'll just finish it and come back tomorrow. But just for the purpose of the video, I think I would like to see what's gonna happen if it breaks on the video as a trading journal. But maybe we should just stick to the strategy. If I want to say like it's 30 minutes max, I should probably just close the chop. And you can see now, okay, the reversals I was talking about, it can happen like within the first 5 minutes. So it still is like 16, and the whole hour reversal, we can still wait 4 or 3 minutes, and for example, it could like reverse, like this could be like the up move, those from 30 till here, but now it doesn't look like it wants to collaborate with my idea here. Because normally it should go a little bit higher, and then so that we can see some real reversal. Maybe it will just reverse from here. Actually, it can still be counted as the strategy I was explaining, the reversal strategy. This was basically, yeah, like reversing from around here, yeah, and going down. That's probably what's gonna happen, yeah. Breaking some channel over here. So yeah, it looks, but it can be still consolidation. That's why I just, don't try this, guys. This is risky. Why would you do it? It can work out, but why? Why would you do it? And of course, if we now talk about my pocket option strategy, which is completely sniper strategy, I take into account all the things that you can on the chart, and the most important, of course, liquidity. Where are we going? Then the structures, and then the confirmation to break. So basically here I'm just doing one thing, and that's the break on 5 minutes. So this is something completely different. I'm ignoring all my rules, but it's just because there's different rules on futures on this platform, and I need to really create something. And it's not binary. We need to have some stop loss, some take profit. So basically this is completely a new world, but I believe hopefully shortly we will find some strategy that will be that I would like. So here again we are taking liquidity, recharging from this order block. It can go up for a while, or if it goes stronger, you can ignore it, and that would mean that we are going down. That would mean we are going down. But still here, it was still fresh order block. It's a nice big order block, so you can touch it more times and still have the power to go up. So yeah, let's see. So that was like quick profit. Somebody was just trading this, like boom, stop loss will be like, of course, below it, and so the ratio is like more or less can be like 1-to-1. But this is not at all what we are trading here, and of course it's already far beyond 30 minutes. Okay, not far, 4 minutes, but basically the ratio, if we talk about the ratio, 4 minutes, out of 30, 5 minutes out of 30 now. Okay. So 40%. So basically, probably we'll finish. Yeah, boring. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a nice